In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Microsoft Word outline into PowerPoint. If you've already outlined your talk in Word, there's no reason to rebuild everything slide by slide. PowerPoint can turn that outline into a full deck in seconds, and I'll walk you through the exact process and a few pro tips to make the import clean and organized. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. From the Home tab, open the New Slide dropdown and choose Slides from Outline. This tells PowerPoint you want to build slides from a document instead of a blank layout. In the File browser, navigate to your Word document, the .docx file that contains your outline, and select it. Before you insert, it's important that the Word file uses proper heading styles, because that's how PowerPoint knows what becomes a slide title and what becomes bullet points. Use heading 1 for each new slide title and heading 2 for the bullet points that appear on that slide. If you're not sure, open the document in Word and check the Styles gallery. You can quickly apply heading 1 to top-level items and heading 2 to supporting points. Keep titles short and clear, and keep bullets concise. Long paragraphs don't translate well on slides. Once the outline is structured with headings, come back to PowerPoint and click Insert. PowerPoint will automatically generate slides based on that structure. Each heading 1 becomes a new slide with a title, and each heading 2 below it becomes a bullet on that slide. If your outline includes deeper levels, they may come in as sub-bullets, but sticking to 2 levels keeps things clean and readable. Now review and refine. Skim through the deck to confirm the slide order matches your outline. Adjust any layouts where text runs long. Apply a theme from the Design tab to unify colors and fonts, or use design ideas for quick, polished suggestions. Add relevant images or icons to support key points and break up heavy text. If you use transitions, keep them simple and consistent so they enhance rather than distract. Finally, read through the slides once more to ensure wording is tight and every slide contains one clear message. Save your deck and run a quick slideshow preview to check pacing and readability from a distance. This helps you catch text that's too small or crowded and refine timing. That's it. With a correctly formatted Word outline, you can build a structured PowerPoint in moments, then spend your time polishing the message instead of copying and pasting.